Hey everyone, welcome to the Hollywooders channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and this will be for the Mr. Coffee Latte machine. So what we have here is it makes iced and hot coffee. It has a tumbler that comes along with it and yeah, it's pretty cool. It brews concentrated coffee shots for coffee house faves at home, you know, stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. Basically, we weren't huge coffee drinkers, but down the line we started drinking a lot of lattes, so might as well get one for home. Let's see, we are very excited about this. This is like actually our first time having a coffee machine. Okay. Ooh, nice.
And the reason we chose that one is because we just were watching YouTube video and we were looking for CAFE LATTE, right?
Exactly.
And we didn't look for like a lot of options, you know, this was one of the first ones and we decided, you know what, it's our first one, it's not very expensive, let's try it, you know?
Exactly. So they have actually a recipe book, which is pretty cool. Mr. Coffee Latte recipe book. And I guess this is the instructions for your brew, how to make it. So pretty cool. All right, so let's take it out. Let's take it out. Okay, I'm not obsessed with this. Let's see here. All right. Yeah. Let's see here. Okay. Here we go. Let's remove the cardboard. Here's the tumbler that we were talking about. So you can take it on the go, especially iced coffee, which is really cool because,
I think this is for iced coffee. I don't think you can put hot coffee in this one, plastic. I mean, I wouldn't.
Right, and it comes with a straw. Reusable, you can wash it. All right, and here we go. Let's get rid of this cardboard. And more cardboard. So this is for like the milk, for the, to foam, to froth, sorry.
Yeah, exactly.
Alrighty, and yes, this is the, I think it's the cap. Yeah, it's the cap for that. Okay.
As you see, we are so like good at coffee makers, you know. Like,
I know, like I said,
we have no idea what we are doing, by the way.
This is our first coffee maker, so that's why I'm like, anyway, here we go. Let's rip this baby apart. Ooh. And here's the machine. Here we go. Okay. Right here. Okay, I'll let him do that. Get rid of that. It's pretty cool.
Coffee.
Yeah, so here's some hot brew, over ice, hot froth, cold foam, milk, coffee. Okay, so here's the spoon.
With measurements, right?
Yes. So you can, so you can measure how much you need. I love this because, like I repeatedly said, you can make iced coffee or hot coffee. So that's awesome. You can do both, right? And we are definitely happy about this because of the latte. I cannot wait till our first latte. So of course we have to clean it. So before your first use, you want to put the water in the reservoir and then it's going to clean it out and drip the water in the tumbler. And we wait. Okay, so now we are going to make the latte. Okay, so we have Lavazza. This is what my husband, he picked out for this coffee that we're gonna have. Smells pretty good, okay? So this is what we have. And we're gonna do 1.5 scoops. So for here, I'm gonna do one first and then half a scoop. Okay. And bear with me, this is my first time. I've never really dealt with a coffee machine before, especially not a latte. So don't be making fun of me as I do this, okay? So we're gonna do like so. This is good, right? We're gonna pour it into here, the filter. All right, and then we're gonna do a half scoop. Some thick coffee. And then we have 4 ounces of water, which is half a cup. We are going to put this in here. Go ahead and pour it like so. And now we're going to do the milk. We have whole milk, vitamin D, and we're going to pour it in here for the froth. And we're gonna pour it, there's a line here. There's 3 different lines. There's line for cappuccino, latte, and max. So we're gonna pour it to the latte line. And a little bit like that. I think that's good. Okay, so we're gonna close it. And we're gonna do hot brew and hot froth. And then we're gonna wait. So the coffee's ready and we're just waiting for the milk. Smells good. Smells delicious.
I can't wait to try it.
Me too.
It's better to start with milk so you don't have to wait.
For presentation, we didn't put the lid on, but I think it's best to do so just so it keeps nice and hot. Now the milk just stopped. We're gonna take the coffee here and we're gonna pour the milk. It's kind of hot, so be careful when you're touching it, okay? And here we go. Nice. Alrighty, here we go. Here's the foam. Ready to taste, yeah?
I'm
You
ready.
think it's gonna be good? Okay,
Hopefully
I'm gonna taste
it's gonna
first.
be better than instant coffee. It should be better, of course.
No, it's good.
It's good?
Yeah.
Okay. Moment of truth.
I like it.
It's totally different than instant coffee, right?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
I love lattes. It's so good. Okay, don't drink it all. Give me.
So here's the thing. You go to, I'm not gonna say the name, of course, everybody know which one is the most famous coffee shop, right, in United States. You go and buy coffee for $5, right? This costs you $120 and it's equivalent of basically buying coffee like for a month, right? If you would have to go to the store and buy coffee for $5, you know, and basically you can get that coffee maker for that price. And you have it for many years, I'm pretty sure. You buy ground coffee, you buy milk, and coffee probably gonna cost you about 50 cents, if, you know.
Yeah, you're gonna save a lot of money.
Yeah.
So
Oh, it's good.
it's really good. And it's my first time making it, so I think I did pretty well.
Yeah, yeah. We are horrible in it, but we wanted to do presentation for you.
Yeah, and it came out really good.
Yeah, fresh coffee is totally different.
Definitely. So yeah, like we said, we were not coffee drinkers in the beginning, but lattes definitely changed our minds. And to be quite honest, I didn't drink coffee because it made me feel sleepy and nauseous and whatnot. But for some reason, lattes don't make me feel that way. It doesn't make me feel bad or, you know, super tired. And But also, I could go without it. You know, I can have it one day and then the next day I'm fine. I don't have any coffee hangovers or whatnot. So yeah, I think that's
Which
why I like
again,
this one
everybody's
alone.
different,
Exactly.
right?
It's
So
all on an individual basis. So.
I think so. Okay. Thanks for watching Hollywooders. Please subscribe and we're gonna wrap up.
Yes, like and share our videos. Thank you.